Homeowner and condo association boards are usually led by volunteers, that is, members of the community who make major decisions in running their associations, such as maintaining structures, hiring personnel, buying insurance, investing funds, and addressing discrimination claims. But with community association laws changing as frequently as once a year, keeping up with those changes can often be difficult. Attorneys who specialize in community association law can provide legal advice to these condo and HOA communities and help them to govern themselves as they make important business decisions that affect the lives of their neighbors.
If you're a homeowner volunteer serving on your board, you may know nothing about accounting issues or engineering issues or legal issues, so it may be that the association needs to retain some experts to get advice on these matters so that at the end you actually make the best business decision you can for the association. Community associations are usually governed by state law. State law changes for them almost every single year, so part of the challenge of being a community association lawyer is to keep our client apprised of all those changes so that they understand the laws they're supposed to comply with and then the strategies for making sure that they're following all that.
Since 1990, Chadwick, Washington, Moriarty, Elmore, and Bunn has provided legal counsel to community associations in Virginia and the District of Columbia. Chadwick, Washington attorneys bring an experienced and knowledgeable perspective on the law and handle all aspects of community association legal affairs. With a firm grasp of Virginia and D.C. law, the firm offers support and counseling on many matters, from routine concerns like collecting assessment fees to major issues such as serious construction projects.
Our goal is to provide good, solid legal advice for community associations to help the board of directors, the members, and the association overall so they can thrive as a community association consistent with the law. We thought that it would be great to have a firm that was totally focused on representing associations, an environment where we could serve their needs for collections work, advice with regard to dealing with developers, contract work, governance, lessons, education, and we have attorneys that are dedicated and interested in making that their career, and a great paralegal corps that helps to serve them in a cost-effective manner. We believe in building good relationships with the managers, with our clients. Life post-COVID has made that a little more challenging and interesting with technology, but even when we're not face-to-face, we have always worked hard to make sure that we stay in touch and stay abreast of what our clients need, make sure we know what they want from us, and make sure that we deliver it to them when they need it.
If you are a volunteer serving on your association board of directors, you are a fiduciary for that organization. You have to use due diligence in reaching your business decisions. This means that you're getting the information that you need in order to make the best decision you can for the entity. You are acting in what's called good faith, which means that you are serving the interests of the organization in making that decision rather than serving your own interests.
Most people volunteer at their HOA just to help out. They may not initially understand the gravity of the business decisions they will be making for their communities. These decisions are made within the mandates of laws that can change from year to year, as well as the HOA documents for the community. Advice from lawyers and other experts helps to prevent mistakes, which is why Chadwick, Washington hosts regular educational seminars to teach clients about the legislative changes and best practices and help position associations to better understand the extent of their obligations.
Our law firm provides advice on certain issues, reviewing contracts, etc. We deal primarily with volunteers. A lot of our job as lawyers is to educate and train them on various things, and that makes our lawyering job a little bit of a calling, because it's not like you're just giving legal advice about a particular contract or a particular dispute. You're also, in the bigger picture of things, trying to train your boards and your managers on an ongoing basis so that they can make the best decisions they can for their association.
Legal advice can be a critical component for homeowner associations to invest in. The actions of these board members directly impact their residents' lives, and it's vital to have expertise in addressing the various legal issues that arise. Through the guidance of attorneys at Chadwick, Washington, associations can better navigate the challenges they face and improve the well-being of the communities they serve.
So that we can best serve our clients, our attorneys routinely meet during the evenings throughout the week. But there's new technologies that allow us to provide greater value to our clients by meeting with them virtually, either at different times or potentially even on demand. Having more time freed up from travel, our attorneys are available to meet with even more clients on any given evening. It also provides greater opportunities for us to build and foster positive long-term relationships with our clients. And those relationships in turn help us to achieve our goal of providing effective and efficient legal counsel to community associations.
We believe in board education sessions to get new boards up to speed and let older boards know what's changed since they've started out. And providing that online is a great way to do it in terms of webinars or in terms of meetings online. And we find that to be a tool that we are going to use in the future. It's a matter of being educated about what they need to do to prepare for the future, to cover their responsibilities as they go forward in order to keep them in a position where their associations will be as good and as valuable in 20 years as they were when they bought there. And that's something we want to work hard with them to help them achieve. In this practice, you really do get day-to-day solutions where you can make an immediate impact, and I find that gratifying and fun.
If your association is facing legal issues, a law firm that specializes in community association issues can help. You can learn more about community association law and CWMEB at chadwickwashington.com.